after we don't need a tie here. We only need a tie here, so it won't be like a that. Mommy laughing. Here is so dusty. Okay, let's do mommy right here. Yeah? Okay, let's do blue. No, I think pink. Pink never be. Pink is that. Oh, mommy back here? Like a big one? Yeah. Okay, still doing the Barbie here. Yeah, your baby looks so angry to me. Yep, she looks so angry and she looks so like I even don't care about you. She always say that. Yeah. Okay, go. Now next we have to cut your hair. Okay. Yeah. What? So laughing. I see pink. Okay, I think doing your hair. Yeah. The baby always talks to me all the time. And she looks so dumb. Yeah. I always do hair, but your hair, this looks so cool. Ta-da! Let's see it. Ta-da! Ta-da! I mean, look. The Barbie hair looks so cool. See? I make her hair. No, can I get top? Okay. Break that. Break it out. Break it out. Break it out. Okay. Now, what's the breast? Your baby always, mommy. Yep. Can you do my hair? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. I gotta do the Barbie hair first. Yeah. You know. Well, you know how to talk. Who's that? Okay, I think it's doing your hair. always looks so dumb. Yeah, because she's so like me. She said, "Hey, where do you draw the baby face?" She always say that. Yeah, she always say my name like Ania, Ania. What are you doing, Ania? Yeah, she trying to say that. She always say like, "Mommy, Mommy, you do it." She always say it to me, so she just do it. Okay, let's play with 2 colors. Okay,